Just to introduce myself, I'm Geeta Seshu. I'm a journalist. I work on free speech issues. And, आता चालू आहे ना? Good. Thank you. And, uh, and I've been part of the PUCL. And for several of you, of course, the PUCL is a familiar name. It is an organization which has been working on civil liberties in Maharashtra. It's been working for several years across the country. One of our concerns really with the elections and the campaign that preceded the results that we saw was the kind of build-up of hate and divisive politics that was really defining focus of the kind of the propaganda that we saw. There were definitely a number of other issues. And this meeting, this discussion really was something that we've been talking about and planning for a very long time within PUCL. Partly because we've really been wanting to discuss and understand and confront in an active way the kind of hate that we are seeing on the streets. To introduce our moderator for today, Rajni Bakshi is again someone who's been working on the tracking of social movements, political movements for many years now. From her very first book, The Long Haul in 1986 on the textile workers' strike. It's a familiar terrain for her. She has over the last few years moved into her own YouTube channel, Ahimsa Conversations, which looks at as it's described in her channel, a platform for exploring the possibilities of non-violence. But what it also is doing over the last few episodes, if you all have been tracking it, is looking at hate and looking at how hate is something that is polarizing families, polarizing people, polarizing friends, and trying and changing a very, very important principle in our society. So I'd like to invite Rajni to moderate today's discussion. Rajni Bakshi.
So welcome everyone on behalf of UCL. Thank you, Geeta. And I just wanted to, begin by suggesting that we all give ourselves a big hand to we the people, because as Yogendra has said, if you look at the odds that were tilted against a verdict of this kind, so I would just invite you to please join me in a big applause for we the people. Thank you so much. May this be the beginning of many more such, further changes towards the forces of light, kindness, friendship, and compassion. All ideologies apart. So now I would like to invite members of our panel. Sambhaji, please, आइए. Sambhaji is a poet activist, legendary poet activist in Marathi, and his channel is Manuski Chala. He runs a school on, basically a school of humanity, and so delighted that you are here with us. Please, आइए. Anand Patwardhan also, like Sambhaji, needs no introduction. I think many of us grew up on Ram Ke Naam. मतलब that gives away my age. ये तब मैं बच्चा थी. आनंद के भी बाल सफेद नहीं थे. And I don't have to tell you, but if you have not seen his Reason film, which is what, 3.5 hours? 4, yeah. And I think it is now available on YouTube, right? Is it now on YouTube? Yeah. So I would really strongly urge anybody who hasn't seen it to please, see that. So thank you. Anand, Lara. And last but not least, Kunal Purohit, who is the author. He's a journalist, an excellent journalist. अब कुणाल के जैसे लोगों को देख के ना मुझे लगता है कि अच्छा चलो now we can relax. अभी हम आराम से निश्चिंत होके घर बैठ के कॉर्नफ्लेक्स पॉपकॉर्न खा सकते हैं. No, you must see his book in H Pop and he'll be talking about it. So I thought, Anand, we would start with you, and I would urge. My request is that we take it as given that in this gathering there is a very detailed and in-depth awareness of the nature of the problem, and I'm sure, of course, there will be issues that you want to highlight. But I would request that today we really concentrate on how we see it going forward. What are the spaces? What are some of the ways in which we are going to overcome this storm of hatred? And I will try to restrain myself, as you, those of you who know me know how difficult that is. But I'll just thank you, Ingrid. You didn't have to nod that vigorously. I would just say this, that the only thing I'm personally clear about is that we are not going to win this by hating the hater. So where do we go from there?